Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes C-Class. First of all, we go to settings, then we go to Bluetooth. We're watching out at the bottom. So we go over to the system, we click telephone. Here we go. You see at the bottom, that's just on the telephone at the moment. So what I have to do, you've got connected devices call list. If I knock that down, connect device. And then you've got search for phones, search via telephone, search for phones, and then start search again. Watch out at the bottom here. It's taking its time, I've got to say. Right, it's found it there. So turn the rotary control, highlight Barry's iPhone 13, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request. Does the passkey 838750 match the passkey on Barry's iPhone 13? Well, it does, so we click pair there, and then we click yes there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow authorization successful. You'll see there it will now tell me, or my phone now knows where I am as well, and it should be Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's it. That's how you pair a mobile.